Imwe ya nditi iria ikoretwo igumeire mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBE ni wagi wa indo ngurani cia gukinyaniria mathomo, thina uria waya kwihiriria kuona arutwo aria mararikirie kigeranio kia grade ya 9 riu matanyitwo kuingira thiini wa ngathi ingi ya mathomo mwaka ukite. Na kuona thirikari ndirahota gukinyaniria waki wa laboratories thiini wa thukuru ciothe, riu nitanyitwo kwambiriria ceceni cia mathomo ma CBE thiini wa sub-county ciothe.
The minimum package under discussion today has been carefully conceptualized to ensure functionality, cost effectiveness and sustainability. It is important to note that the CBE centers are designed to be shared by several schools within a sub-county. Hence the need for standardization, durability, and efficient utilization of resources.
So what CEPU has done is to look at the various learning areas within CBE from grade 1, PP1, grade 1, up to grade 12. That is primary, junior schools, and senior school. And among this, we've identified the learning areas that are there and the likely resource or learning resources applicable to each area.
KURUMIRIRA MWEREKERA URIA WAHEANIRWO NI MUTONGORIA wa BURURI, RUHONGE rwa uthondeki wa indo ngurani cia MAHUTHIRO ma mathomo, umuthi ni rutabanirie giikaro na anyiti itemi angi niguo guthurima niki kirabatarania ukinyaniria-ini wa mathomo ma arutwo othe.
This meeting is both timely and strategic as it aligns directly with a presidential directive issued during a State House meeting which requires the Ministry of Education to establish a CBE center in every sub-county across the country.
Ona kuhanura uguo thirikari no iranire guthii na mbere gukinyaniria waki wa laboratories na miakwenge ya mathukuru ta uria yeranire hau kabere.
This is a foundation step, the beginning of a journey that will see the ministry progressively equip more schools and learning institutions across the country in line with the CBE framework. The Ministry of Education remains committed to ensuring that over time all required infrastructure, equipment and learning resources are put in place in various schools nationwide.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugina, Wawadiro.